1. One duck. 2. Two cars. 3. Three dolls. 4. Four footballs. 5. Five shoes. 6. Six caps. 7. Seven birds. 8. Eight pencils. 9. Nine keys. 10. 10 balls. Lesson review. Read one by one. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Preschool Planet. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.